Welcome to this explainer tracing the incredible 500-year evolution of the 10 Sikh gurus. Let's dive in. How exactly did a peaceful spiritual movement transform into a fearless martial brotherhood? Well, let's find out. We're looking at three major eras: foundational reform, a pivotal martyrdom, and the creation of the Khalsa. It all started in 1469. Guru Nanak Dev Ji boldly declared universal equality, ignoring religious divides completely. He shattered the rigid caste system and started the Langar, a community kitchen where everyone ate as equals. Next, Guru Angad Dev Ji standardized the Guru Mukhi script and introduced wrestling to build a truly resilient community. Guru Amar Das Ji pushed radical social reforms, fiercely championing gender equality and fighting back against oppressive traditions. The faith expanded geographically when Guru Ram Das Ji founded Ramdaspur, which became the sacred city of Amritsar. Right there, Guru Arjan Dev Ji built the iconic Golden Temple and compiled the sacred Adi Granth scriptures. But in 1606, his peaceful martyrdom by the Mughal Empire sparked a massive, world-altering turning point. In response, Guru Har Gobind Ji introduced Miri Piri, officially blending physical martial defense with deep spiritual devotion. He built the Akal Takht, brilliantly transforming his followers into saint soldiers ready to fight back against tyranny. Gurus Har Rai and Har Krishan kept this strength but balanced it beautifully with profound compassion and healing. Known as the Shield of India, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was martyred, protecting the religious freedom of Hindus. This relentless persecution led Guru Gobind Singh Ji to officially establish the martial Khalsa order in 1699. Through the Amrit ceremony, he cemented the Sikh identity into a fearless brotherhood, absolutely dedicated to defending equality. He tragically sacrificed his own family for the faith, relentlessly fighting tyranny and wiping out horrific societal evils. Finally, in 1708, he transferred eternal guruship to the sacred Guru Granth Sahib, permanently sealing the lineage. This entire journey from 1469 to 1708 shows an incredible, flawless evolution of spirit, sacrifice, and unbreakable courage. So, how can this incredible mix of deep devotion and fearless defense inspire your fight against modern injustices?
Let's dive right into the incredible legacy and spiritual resilience of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Imagine being just 9 years old when your father makes the ultimate sacrifice and becomes a martyr.
His father's martyrdom to protect Sanatan Dharma completely shaped the young guru's entire life mission.
He actually spent 20 years mastering languages like Sanskrit and Persian, right alongside combat and weaponry.
Get this, his arrows had gold tips to financially support the families of his fallen enemies. It perfectly captures his core philosophy. He only fought against tyranny, never to conquer territory. This ultimate devotion was truly tested in 1699. He gathered his followers for a dramatic event. He asked for heads. 5 brave men stepped forward, and astonishingly, they emerged totally unharmed. From this intense test of faith, the incredibly important Khalsa Panth was officially born.
This established the crucial saint-soldier identity, warriors fiercely fighting injustice with a pure spiritual heart. Even in victory, he never forced conversions or mistreated the enemies he had just defeated.
His growing influence terrified empires, leading them to trap his followers in a brutal 8-month siege. Enemies promised safe passage, but the Guru brilliantly tested them by sending carts filled with trash. They greedily looted the trash, completely breaking their solemn oaths and exposing their cowardly deceit. Forced to retreat, absolute tragedy struck when his beloved family was separated at the river Sarsi. Then came the Battle of Chamkaur, just 44 brave Sikhs facing an army of 1 million. Tragically, in that battle and the days following, all 4 of his chair sons were martyred.
So, how do you possibly respond after losing your entire family to such endless, cowardly betrayal?
He penned the historic Zafarnama. It was a fearless letter exposing the emperor's extreme religious hypocrisy.
Historically, this bold moral victory actually shook the empire and forced the emperor to halt attacks.
Fast forward to 1708. Before passing, the Guru made one final, monumental decision for the faith.
Bowing to the Holy Scripture, he declared the Guru Granth Sahib as the eternal, living Guru. His teachings offer us powerful modern lessons. Build spiritual resilience, speak truth, and fight everyday injustice.
The Khalsa Panth and this incredible saint-soldier ethos continue to inspire millions of us globally today.
So how will you channel this immense courage and choose the saint-soldier path in your life?